today I have again a lot of good images. We saw a lot of crabs actually this time, but before we go to the beautiful places we need to go through those wall of jellyfishes. That's how life works, and you see how many jellyfishes are there. Did you see those things? If they sting you, this will hurt a lot, and I don't. If I was you guys, I would not swim here. You can see these images. And from underneath you saw them also. There's a lot. Those colors and rocks beneath the ocean, and some of them are oysters. Sometimes in this video you will also see some reflection from stones, and those are the inside of the oysters. This red thing over here, that's actually not from the Netherlands, it's from other places in the world that comes with the ships, and now they are also in the Netherlands. Those crab was really crazy. It was so big. I don't know which kind it is, but maybe you guys know it. Write it below in the comment section. And this crab is unbelievable. This is the crab from the shorts. Maybe you've seen it, the short. And this is the eating crab. And you can see it's a big crab. Normally it looks bigger, but I saw them above water, then they are not that big, but see him eat over there. Those jaws, I didn't know the jaws of a crab move sideways, but now you can see it too. And at a few moments it's going to walk right to us, and I was scared and he will cut the cable of the drone, so I went fastly. I moved forward because I didn't want the drone to be damaged. You can see me crash with the speed, with the rush I had. You see, it's very difficult. And look at this crab, how angry they look from close. Maybe this one was very angry because I disturbed him, but he looks very angry and very dangerous. Imagine if they were bigger, what we needed to do with those crabs. And there's another crab that's he stands very still, so I wouldn't see him. But we are no danger for them, of course. We let them live and we just want to see how they live. And I want to show you that. Over there, another crab. And those are the oysters. But there, I wasn't be able to film them better. And those colors underwater are amazing. Look at that fell green lights, and right at the bottom it's very crazy how it looks like. And here's a little bit darker, deeper, this deeper place, so the light doesn't come that good. And those are those plants. I actually never see them in real life under the water, but now you can see them too with me for the first time maybe. Or maybe you saw them much more than I did, but I thought it was funny. And over here another crab, and it was this crab was actually very funny because at first he saw me and he tried to hide, but it looks very scary. I don't know how you guys think, but if you see those legs underwater, it looks very scary, and then you're doubting, is this a real crab or is this something else that's more scary than a crab? But I tried to film him, and I didn't want to be that close because then he will be scared, but I wanted to see what they are doing underwater when there's no one around. So I took a little bit of distance and I tried to come slowly closer to him or her, And in a few moments, pay attention, and you will see him scare of me. And that wasn't my intention, but I understand why he's scared of some yellow drone with a lot of lights is approaching him slowly from behind. I think we would all be scared at that moment. Look at those claws, and he's ready to fight us and defend himself and his home, and how fast he is gone the moment he saw us. It's amazing how those animals react. And again, over here we see also the beautiful color of the depths in the ocean when you're there. I first thought that was a animal, but it was just a stone. That's why I went closer to it and slowly approached it. And from below, that's causing those dirt to come up. But it was a different thing to see. I'm not sure which kind of stone it was. But you see those right in the corner, you see a fish. I was doubting if it's a fish or a snake, but as far as I know, we don't have water snakes in the Netherlands, so it's probably a fish. But you can reverse the video and see it for better, I think. And so also very interesting, like how the bottom of the sea looks like. It's very straight, and it's more how do you say that in English? It's more quiet, it's more peaceful at the bottom. And you see also the oyster over there right in front of us, and the crab, of course. You see how bright that light reflects from some of those oysters. I think it must be oysters underneath the water. And there a shrimp went below us. You can see those orange stones. And a lot of fishes over here. You can see them peacefully. They don't get let that moment. Fishes are more fast and more aware of their surrounding. I noticed underwater, like crabs, etc. They are slow. Look at this animal, how fast he went away, how fast they are. It's amazing how other animals hunt on them and catch them, because I wouldn't be able to do that. And in a few moments you will see another animal be very fast, and that's so amazing always to see. And over there another crab waiting peacefully. Sometimes the drone crashes because rotators get stuck, but you see them again, a lot of so small animals. I didn't recognize them, were so fast. And now fishes.
It's a long way up to everything that